In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display language on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings, best result, check them back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left panel where it says time and language. And then on the right side, you want to select language and region. Where it says Windows Display Language at the top, click the drop down and you can select a different one from one that's installed. If there aren't any others installed, you can select the Add Language button, locate it on the list, and then select Next, and then you just would follow through the process of installing it. Would take some time to install on your device, and then you can change the display language once it's installed by clicking that drop down again up here at the top, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.